Hello, this is Davide Biocchi speaking, and this is my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar that was able to continue growing against the euro was able to continue growing against the dollar, and right now is very close to the third resistance that we have here in the area of 1.093. Next level can be considered this one, 1.0108 that we have here. So really interesting level that can be reached very soon if the recovery will continue. And this is an impact on commodities, for example, on the crude oil that recovered more than 2%, and especially from the level of 73 that was reached on Friday, when the market, let's see, went and tested this very important level. The next support can be in the area of 67, but the first resistances will be 70, let's say 78 around here, and then the level of 82, $83, and finally the level up here that offer $93 per barrel. So this is very interesting. Also interesting is the gold, very close again to the price of 2000. We have seen the market back, not capable to reach the level of 1915, then reacting here as it was happening here, and the market continue moving up. Maybe it can go and test again the area of 2000 that rejected recently any attempt to go up. Let's have a look also at what concerning the bonds. So this is the TLT, Treasury Long Term, and we can see that there's a reaction here. Potentially we are not so far from the previous very important level that we can see here, so we can expect the market to continue moving here. So let's say that this is very important for what concerning the yield. We can expect the yield to continue a little bit going down and then to find a strong resistance. Let's switch to the stock indices and let's open with the European one. This is the Euro Stock 50. In only a few number of sections was capable to move again, not only above the price of 4,200, but even above the price of 4,300. And right now it is working against the resistance that we have at 4,350. So let's see if it will be able to do something that also can be interesting if we look at the DAX. The DAX is around 16,000. Months and months ago, the market was around this level, but then the market went down and now recovered in only a few number of sessions, and it is exactly where it was before. So very interesting also from the DAX. Let's finalize with the US indices. The S&P 500 is working against this resistance that we can see here, and maybe later it could find the possibility to go and test the previous high there. That is not the all-time high. That to see it, we have to go back for more than let's say 110 months, and the previous level, very important level, was the area around 4,580 to 90 here. So it's really relevant. Let's have a look at the last one, that is the Nasdaq itself, even able to recover better than the S&P 500. The most of the stocks that let's say are in the index of S&P 500 were doing so good, but especially the Nasdaq is the best here. This is the previous level. It's not the all-time high. To see that, we must go back in the 2022, but this is a very relevant resistance, and if the market will go through that, I think that the expectation is to see this market around 16,500 more or less. This was the previous high. So this is all for this week. Quite a relevant situation. Thank you very much for being here. See you soon. Bye-bye.